Are you drowning in debt and don't know where to start? The snowball method is one of the fastest ways to become debt-free. In this video, I'll break it down step by step so you can take control of your finances. Let's get started. If you're serious about getting out of debt, make sure to like and subscribe for more finance tips. The first step is to list all your debts from smallest to largest. Don't worry about interest rates just yet. The key is to focus on momentum. Example: credit card 1, $500. Medical bill, $1,200. Student loan, $10,000. Show on screen. Why does this matter? Because small wins boost motivation. When you see progress, you stay committed. Now, make the minimum payment on all your debts except for the smallest one. This keeps you from falling behind while you attack that first debt. This is crucial. Skipping minimum payments leads to late fees and credit damage. Here's where the magic happens. Put all extra money toward the smallest debt until it's gone. Ways to find extra cash: cut subscriptions, sell unused items, pick up a side hustle. Once that first debt is gone, take the money you were paying on it and roll it into the next debt. This is why it's called the snowball method. Your payments get bigger over time. As you knock out each debt, your confidence grows. You'll be shocked at how fast you become debt-free. This method is proven. Millions have used it to wipe out thousands of dollars in debt. Now you know how to crush debt fast with the snowball method. Which debt are you tackling first? Comment below and let's support each other. Like if this helped you. Subscribe for weekly money tips. Watch my next video on how to build credit fast.